hope you all doing well. Welcome back. A big shout out to everyone here watching my vlog, supporting me and everything about Andisi Nyandoya. Thank you so much. I ordered an Uber and meet him. Say your name.
I'm called Dan Hongo.
Dan Hongo. He's called Dan Hongo.
Pleasure to meet Nyandoya.
Yes. He's camera shy, but it's okay. He's okay. He's a good guy. So he's taking me to Feruzi Towers. Today I will try Delish, Kiambu Road. I usually do my nails in Delish Nail Bar, Bihi Towers, Moi Avenue. But when I called today to book for an appointment, I was told the person or the lady who does my nails is not available today. So I was confused where to go. You're asking me how I overcome the fear of camera.
Yes.
Like right now, I will do a shoot in a restaurant. Where we are going is I'm going just to do my nails, and I also shoot. And I'm sure there will be people who will be looking at me and they're like, "Huh, what's happening?"
Yeah,
but I'll still continue, although I still have that cafe inside.
But you can't show it to your viewers.
No, for me I can't show, but deep inside I know I'm feeling something. People are looking at me.
For you to attain 600 and something subscribers, there's something that you've done. You've done as in there's something that when your viewers look, the way you inspire them.
Unless they tell me now, hey, you guys, can you tell me in the comment sections? That one I don't know how to answer, or maybe I'm producing good videos. Of course, there are good days and bad days. Maybe people like my content.
Yeah, like nowadays, many like each and every person want to be a YouTuber, but the main thing that most of those people fear is how do I say it? What will people say? As in, you're not sure about the content you are giving.
Yes.
No. So that one even make people fear the camera more.
Yeah, you're right.
So, but at least you guys see you're somewhere.
I'm trying. I have to do it. I love doing this. It's a passion that I have. I just have to do it, and I really like. Challenges are there. Sorry to cut you off. Yeah, challenges are there. Yeah. But what do? We move on with the challenges.
So what are some of the things that you hear on your YouTube channel?
Most it's reviews, traveling, where I'm going, what I am doing. Yeah.
Like marketing? There's nothing you're marketing, such stuff?
Okay, maybe one marketing some places. Yeah. Because my channel is still young.
Like right now, you're heard you talking about the nail something.
Yeah, the nail bar. A lot of people ask me where I do my nails, so I'm going to tell them it's Delish Nail Bar. Okay. Though I usually tell them personally if they ask. Yeah.
Great. To attain such kind of subscribers. So for these people to maintain and also to always view your channel, I think you need to keep them busy. Yes. Whereby also you need to adventure. Maybe now you start marketing like some. You can go to other places, maybe like restaurants, such stuff. Uanze ku market. Yeah. Because you might find that maybe some of your subscribers, there are some things that they need, but they don't know where to get them. They don't know. But through you, at least you can be an avenue for them to be getting all this stuff. 100%. So in a way, you'll be earning. Yes. You'll be earning, and with them also, they'll be getting solutions. Yes. Maybe to their problems. Yeah. In a way, like you'll be marketing products that are around. I understand. And by this, in one way, maybe, for example, if you go to this restaurant, in one way or the other, you'll get another subscriber from them. Maybe one or two. Yes. It's true. What you're saying is very true. Yeah. So for me, that is my dream. But of course, I need also to gather maybe a lot of subscribers, so that when I start doing that, also the person who is giving me that work or giving me that job will gain also. Exactly. It should be a two-way traffic. You gain, I gain. Oh, we are here. Yeah. Oh, I did. So as in, you should not take this for revenge. You should be paying you.
Yes.
But then it should be growing bigger.
Oh yeah. So that's the leash there. I can see it. So this is Feruzi Towers. I've never been here. It's my first time here. So guys, let's talk about self-care as I wait for my nails to soak. Self-care is very important to each and every person because sometimes we tend to forget about ourselves so much. We are so much into work or whatever errands we are running or whatever we are doing. You see, we forget so much about ourselves. So I want to let people know that it is okay to take care of yourself, love yourself, put yourself first. For women, maybe ladies, take yourself for spa dates, take yourself for pedicure, take yourself for manicure, take yourself for a trip also. Guys, even men also. I'm talking here about everyone. Even men, it is always good to take care of yourself. That's what I mean by self-care. Do not forget yourself in the process of every other thing. Yes, guys, it is important. Very, very important. Like today, for me, I'll be doing my nails, manicure, pedicure. I will do my facial. I'll treat my hair if I get time, if there be enough time still, and then I will also do waxing, and I will take you guys through the whole process. Today it's all about me. I'm appreciating myself today. It's time to tell my body sorry. Masani ya kuambia mwili pole. Tell me, let me know in the comment section how you take care of yourselves. What do you do to show that you're taking care of yourselves? Spoil yourself, take yourself on a date, or maybe take a trip, massage. Let me know in the comment section. Eh, imekatika by the way. Sorry, imekatika. Oi. So guys, these are my natural nails. Ever since I started the leash nail bar, I have never regretted. These are my nails. They are growing.
My name is Vikas, and today I want to take you on a process of making your short nails look nice. Now, I want us to do some builder overlays. Yeah. So, guys,
it's a really good thing to consider on the product that you are using for you to have your nails done in a good way. So personally, we're using a Delish brand for today, and this is one of the best that you can get now. I've got my extension phones. You can feel them. My builder brush right here. I'll be using the Kani professional quality UV and LED builder gel. It's a number 301 soft pink. Okay, today I want to be making this video alone. I'll have some company, and right here I've got Kim. Kim is one of our technicians. Then my client here, and Lissy.
Hi guys, subscribe.
Oh, wow, look at the end product of what has been done. These are just natural nails. Observe the shape. The shape is regular. The length, considering the strength too, only that I can't show you the strength. She's doing it. She's doing a nice job, and she's so quick. This has taken less than 45 minutes, and the work is almost complete. It really looks nice. You can look around. She really looks nice on her hair. You can get this good service stitch lines at 2,500 shillings only, labor plus braids inclusive. It's a fair treat.
Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying my vlog. You've seen how Vikas has taken us through the Delish nail bar and full service salon here in Kiambu Road. Where I am now is Feruzi Towers, first floor. He has told us about the stitch lines and how much they are going for. Imagine 2,500 labor and braids included. That is a fair treat for real. You guys, you can come and visit the Delish nail bar located along Kiambu Road, Feruzi Towers. You can also follow them on Instagram. They have 4 branches in Nairobi: the Imaara Mall, Adlife Plaza, Bihi Towers, Moi Avenue, and this specific branch, Feruzi Towers, Kiambu. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, there is also another process that we are going to show you, the ones that Vikas has shown you, the process of doing overlays, removing them, doing the overlays, and then also doing the application of gel and the other processes. We're still not through, but please keep it locked here so that we continue with the whole process. You see what you pay for. Is it worth it? Let me know in the comments section.
Oh, now we are doing a gel application, and this time we are doing white. Wow, I really like them. You can't imagine these are on natural nails, no extensions, just on her own nails. Some really nice work. The shaping, the C curve. If you want flawless nails, this is the place to be. Feruzi branch is quite a large space. You've got space for nails, got space for hair, then you've got some nice space for your pedicure. So very nice space there. Finally. Nice massage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. With some nice work done. Really scholars of delish nails bar. Super, 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 super nice. Wow, all the way from delish nail bar. Here goes our final products of our builder overlay on client's nails. These are perfect nails done, non-extended, but you can see the shaping, you can see the finishing, the C-curve, flawless work. It's a really satisfying job.
Hey guys, now I'm done with doing my nails here at Delish Nail Bar, and I did these nails. These are overlays. They charged me 2,000 Kenya shillings or $16 only, and you can see the final product. It's very, very beautiful and presentable, very nice. The customer service is top notch. I was welcomed well. This is my first time here in Kiambu Road, and I appreciate the service. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to come and give them a visit and do your nails here, because a lot of you keep asking me where I do my nails. Here is the place. I want to appreciate Vikas. Vikas, here he is. He's the one who has helped me along with this process, and you'll get to know more about what he has explained in the blog today.